Welcome to English News Bulletin. I'm Dibujyoti, bringing to you today's headlines first. Assam flood situation remains critical. Over 1.37 lakh affected across 7 districts. Morphine worth rupees 13 crores recovered at Badarpur Ghat in Cachar. Parliament clears MSME Amendment Bill 2026. Supreme Court to get 4 more judges as Parliament approves strength increase. Now the news in details. The death toll from the devastating 2026 Assam floods has risen to 100, with 2 more fatalities reported in the past 24 hours. More than 1.37 lakh people remain affected across 7 districts, including Golaghat, Silchar, Jorhat, Nagaon, Charaideo and Karbi Anglong. The flood situation remains critical with several rivers flowing above danger levels. In Golaghat, the rising waters of the Dhansari River have inundated additional areas, worsening the situation for residents. Relief, rescue and damage assessment operations are continuing across the affected districts. Authorities are also operating relief camps and distribution centers as efforts continue to assist flood-hit families and assess the extent of damage. Flood-hit schools struggle to resume classes. Several schools in flood-affected areas are struggling to reopen as silt, damaged infrastructure and lingering floodwater continue to disrupt normal operations. Classrooms and school premises require cleaning and repairs, while authorities face the challenge of restoring safe learning environments for students. "38 Assam rifles along with Sribhumi and Cachar police seized drugs worth rupees 13 crores with 1 arrest. A huge quantity of morphine was recovered from a secret chamber of a fuel tanker of a Bolero car in a joint operation by Sribhumi Police, Cachar Police and 38 Assam Rifles at Badarpur Ghat in Cachar on Monday. In the operation conducted on the basis of a tip-off received this morning, 8.224 kg of morphine was recovered from the secret chamber of a fuel tanker of a Bolero car. A person named Dola Raja, a resident of Panchgram, was arrested in the operation. SSP Leena Dal of Sribhumi district, police officers from 2 districts and officers of 38 Assam Rifles were present at the spot during the operation. The estimated market value of the recovered morphine is around 13 crore rupees. Police have launched an investigation into the incident to find the drug trafficking network. Parliament has passed the MSME Development Amendment Bill 2026, aimed at tackling delayed payments to micro, small and medium enterprises and improving the ease of doing business. The bill introduces faster timelines for resolving payment disputes, including 90 days for arbitration awards after pleadings are completed. It also provides for at least 50% of an awarded amount to be paid to an MSME supplier if a court challenge remains pending for more than 6 months. Meanwhile, Parliament has also approved a legislation to increase the sanction strength of the Supreme Court from 34 to 38 judges, including the Chief Justice of India. The government says the move is aimed at reducing the huge backlog of pending cases and improving the efficiency and speed of judicial proceedings. Here we come to the end of today's news. Stay tuned for our latest news updates.